Love these trails, man. It's just a chill trail ride. Walang shredding, walang speed na kailangan mangyari. Just wanna have a good time. Parang nature ride lang. Go off-road for a little bit. Makarinig ng sand crunch ng konti. Yeah, the goal is simple. Yun lang.
Ganda mo eh. Short but sweet to, bro.
Oo. Hindi distance ang usapan.
10, 15, 20 kilometers.
Sobra pa yun. Kasi bail out yung kaliwa eh. Alright, weapons of choice for today. Linsky. We are Linsky boys for this morning. Ito yung Linsky Pro GR ni Marco.
All envy.
Okay. Ayan, look oh. Ano tawag sa Linsky decal na naka part of the frame? Etched.
Yeah, etched.
So etched kasi may mga stick-on lang. Ito etched ito. And you can actually choose the color of the etching. Ito parang bronze or gold. Kasi pwedeng blue rin yan eh. Yung badge niya is bronze badge. Okay. So later when we get to my bike, makikita nyo na yung difference kasi yung sa akin colored eh. Yan, GRX Di2. Ito pala, ang distinct feature ng Pro GR is diamond ang tubes niya. Diamond. Yung sa akin, bilog. So, diamond. Ayan.
All envy.
Ayan, Envy pinaalala sa akin. So we have an Envy cockpit here. Bar, stem, and fork. Yan, TT Swiss rims. Pinaalala pa sa akin yung seat post. Envy seat post. Sana nag-Envy ka.
Oo nga eh.
Ayan, Cell Italia saddle with a crotch ventilation over here. Ayan, hinawakan ko. Tayo, mag-alcohol ako mamaya. Ayan, GRX Di2 with akala ko gold chain. Okay, you were telling me about a distinct feature of the GRX Di2.
Pulley niya is bigger.
Pulley mas malaki. So, stock is long cage.
Yeah, long cage. So, malaki.
Ayan, there you have it. Chain stay protector. Pro Shimano. Okay, that's it. Titanium barrel cages. Minura. Yan, in contrast to Marco's badge, kita mo sa akin, gold and red, diba? Look at the decals. Sticker yan, na black sticker. You can actually feel it. At may mark dito na GR300, tinanggal ko na lang. Round tubes, all the way. Linsky fork. Pero zip components ako. Zip bar, zip stem, zip seat post. Ultegra na pang road. Mechanical lang. Ito pala pinakabago ko. I have new pedals. Sa Decathlon ko nabili to. Rock Rider XC. So cross country pedals. Meron na ako nito sa isa kong bike. It works. Readily available. Kaya ito na binili ko. Zip wheels. SMP. That's it. Gets the job done. There you go. Yep. So itong lote na to has changed, you know. There was an arrow that led us to this area. Pinakaliwa tayo. Kasi dati, papunta dun. Pero may construction. So nagdagdag lang sila ng single track dito. Sa side na to. It's one of the simpler trails here dito sa Philinvest. Baliktad.
Talagang literal, there's so dedicated to sport. Tapos train, tapos marathon, kung may mga event, especially mga malaking event. So, may road IQ ba rin eh?
Yeah, the drivers have an advantage. Dito tayo. So isa din to sa mga path na gustong gusto ko. But it looks different now kasi ang laki ng tinabas. Kita na yung lake. Last time I was here was months ago. Pero dati matataas yan. So let's see. Sana ganun pa rin ka-fun. O yan Marco pag nahulog ka at least tubig. Ay! What the hell? Okay. You see how nice this area is? Look at the water here sa kaliwa. Nice. Picture, Margo. Picture.